Hi, I'm Marika Newman, and I'm going to show you how to restore old photos. You will need a computer, a photo editing program, and your photos. Open up the photo editing program of your choice. I will be using Adobe Photoshop. Go to File and select Open. Next, go to the toolbar and select the Patch tool. Make sure that the options at the top is set to Source. Use the Patch tool to make selections around damaged areas. Now drag your cursor to a nearby spot you would like to draw your patch from. Select the Clone Stamp tool. If there is any remaining spots, lines, or smudges, hold down the Alt key and click near but not in the area you want to fix to select a source. Then paint over the area you want to fix. Remove any noise from the photo by clicking Filter, Noise, and click Reduce Noise. Set the strength to 10, the preserve details to 10%, and the remaining settings to 0. Remove any red tint that sometimes spoils old color photos by going to Image and clicking Auto Color. Remove any dust from your photo by going to Filter, Noise, and clicking Dust and Scratches. Adjust the settings so that the preview gives you the best compromise between dust removal and overall sharpness. Adjust the brightness and contrast according to the photo. Once you have finished with all your edits, save a copy of the picture on your computer. And that is how to restore old photos.